What is that?
What'd you draw, Ella?
Papa and Baby and Papa.
Oh. Is it somebody with curly hair?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
That's a mouth.
That's a mouth.
And
A chin. Very nice.
I got draw.
You gonna draw some more?
Yeah. Lots.
What else are you gonna draw?
Ducky and Papa, Baby. I got Baby.
You gonna draw baby?
Yeah.
Okay, can you hold it up so Mama can see? Ella, can you turn it this way? Let Mama see. What'd you draw? Oh, is that baby? Oh, very good. That's a good job, honey. Yay!
Yay! Luke is gonna go draw. Go draw Papa.
You're gonna draw Papa now? Okay.
I'm all wrong.
Daddy's mowing the lawn, you're right.
I'll go see him.
Okay.